President William Ruto augĩte thirikari nĩ ĩracaria njĩra cia kũhũthia mĩthiĩre ya mũingĩ mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi nĩguo kũnyihia mũhatĩkano wa mamirioni ma andũ na ngari. Ũkui wa mũgithi na mbathi cia BRT nĩ imwe cia tabarĩra iria irarutirwo wĩra.
Mobility around Nairobi is something that is very important to us. You know, Nairobi has 5 million people during the day and 4 million at night. So there's a whole 1 million people who come in and out of Nairobi every day. That poses a very significant challenge on the transport infrastructure. So apart from the matatu transport system, the mass bus transport system is a very important component. I think already a lot of work has gone into getting the bus lanes already. So this threshold will give us the ability to conclude that process so that we can move people in and out of Nairobi much more easily. We are also working on a rail system around Nairobi. We will be maybe having a conversation with you. I think we have already built about 28 stations out of a possible 36. And there will be a conversation, and we are happy that this threshold is now being rolled out. And it will give us possibilities of what else can we look at to make transportation that much more easy.